All right, hello and welcome to pmblounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this YouTube channel as well as the pmblounge.com website. Today we are discussing a question that came to us from Cora, of course, and I was requested to answer this question, and the question is pretty interesting. It asks you what is the difference between the job titles IT project manager, and infrastructure project manager. So, important question, right? I mean, if you're applying for a job and the job title says this job is for the post of IT project manager, or if this job is for the post of tech project manager, tech PM, what does this mean, right? Or if it just says that this job is for the post of project manager, what is the difference between all these job titles? And are you, if you're a project manager right now, are you qualified to even apply for a post that says tech project manager? Right? Important question, right? So let's try to tackle this. But before we do, let me give you some examples of certain companies and their job titles. Let's talk about Yahoo. The Chief Information Security Officer in Yahoo is called Paranoid in Chief. That's the job title, Paranoid in Chief. In-house philosopher is a job title in Google, and that's for someone who has a degree in philosophy and kind of can give humanistic perspective to solve engineering problems. So in-house philosopher, that is a post in Google. Let's talk about the CEO of Metrics Group, Joanna Pineda, if I'm not wrong. And the job title for the CEO there in Metrics Group is Chief Troublemaker. So, so you see what I'm trying to get to, right? Let's talk about. So now let's talk about these different job titles: tech project manager, IT project manager, infra project manager, project manager. What I'm trying to gather here is that companies tend to give job titles based on their own comfort, and it's a company's prerogative to call a job title whatever they want to, right? But end of the day, a project manager is a project manager, as simple as that. And it could be IT project manager, a tech project manager. End of the day, as a project manager, your job is to manage projects, as simple as that. Now, so but from my own personal experience, I could say that an infra project manager could be someone who's if it's a IT company, of course it's someone who's related to the IT infrastructure, taking care of the servers, taking care of the data and voice infrastructure of the company or of their own clients, right? So that's a IT infra project manager job title for you. If it's a tech project manager role, it could mean that the project manager is expected in this particular company. The project manager is expected to have a certain level of, knowledge in programming, knowledge in software engineering as well. So that's that. You talk about project manager, a job title of project managers. That's the vanilla project manager, right? So what I'm trying to gather here is that a job title is something that is the prerogative of a company. It's not something that requires extra knowledge and skills than you already possess as a project manager. So apply to all the job titles, all the job openings with any job titles. As long as it says PM project manager, you, my friend, are eligible for it. You, my friend, are knowledgeable enough to apply for such a post. So like I said, chief troublemaker, in-house philosopher, paranoid in chief are all real life job titles in some of the biggest companies in the world. So don't get caught up in this the job title circles. Don't get caught up in it. As long as you have the knowledge, as long as you have the skills, as long as you are a PMP certified project manager, you can apply to any job role that has project manager, in it. The job title has project manager in it. Of course, it would differ if you are a project manager who have managed projects in, let's say, software field, and this a different job might require you to be managing projects that are related to infrastructure and construction. Your experience may not hold good there, right? But if you're PMP certified, PMP does not just talk about IT industry as such. It talks about it's free of industries, right? It cannot be it cannot be constrained to a single industry, is what I'm trying to say. So that's all I had in this quick video. I hope you liked it. I hope you understood that job titles are something that companies come up with. Your knowledge, your skills of project management will hold good in any job title that has project management in it. So that's all I had. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMPLounge and twitter.com/PMPLounge. As always, do check out the website PMPLounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information. So subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, by the way. All right. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.